So I'm using my Dremel 4000 flex shaft that I received last year for my anniversary gift, believe it or not. I really like it. I feel more confident than I did when I first got it. I was really nervous when I first used it, and I really enjoy using it. I'm always looking for different ways to use it. I have all the tips that I need, but I just have to get up the guts, I guess, and try new things. I'm working on the back of my spoon. I carved this spoon with my Helvy knives. I used my OCC knives as well as my flex shaft palm gouges. The Helvy knives I was able to get last year around May. May is when I started carving from the couple that do the Helvy knives. I forgot their name, Holly and Rich, and I'll put their link in my description. It is kind of hard to get the knives, but if you're patient and you check the Facebook group, you will have a chance. Some people have waiting for a while, but it's just a couple doing them, or they're working as fast as they can in their spare time. The OCC knives that I have, I actually won them from Alaskawoodchuck. He is on YouTube, so I'll put his link in my description below. He is also on Facebook as well as Instagram. So you want to check his channel out after my video, and you can see all kinds of stuff with wood carving, and he does product reviews and all kinds of stuff. I had a health update today from my doctor. All my labs are doing good, including my iron. I'm a little bit low on vitamin D, but isn't everyone who stays in all the time? It's too cold to be outside. So I'm doing pretty good, thank God. Today was really cold in the wood shop. I had my infrared heater on, but which did help a lot, but after a while, you just get cold. So at this time of the video, I was not sure what to do with the end of the spoon as far as decorating. So I was trying to think about what to make or what to do. I focused a lot on the bottom of the spoon to make it smooth. I made a spoon a few days ago and I really liked it. I actually called it a coffee scoop because it was really big. I actually measured it and it was 2 tablespoons worth, which is, it's a good size, amount of coffee. But, so I liked it a lot. I wanted to make sure that most of it was smooth before I start using my gouges to try to decorate it. I think I'm going to try to make a spatula next. I'm not sure. I saw somebody that had made a lot of spatulas, and I use those for cooking and things like that, so I might make a couple and see how they look. After I posted the picture of my first spoon, somebody actually contacted me and wanted me to make a set of small spoons, like tablespoon and teaspoon. And I told her, I said, I need to practice first before I do it, but I will try my best. So off camera, I used my flex cut gouge or one of the palm gouges that I have to make the spoon deeper, and then I went back to the Dremel to smooth it out even more. There were some places inside of the spoon, and I think one place on the outside where it was just not to my liking, so I kept on going over it, and until I felt better about it. It's not perfect, but I actually enjoyed doing this spoon. It took me only a couple hours to do here and there because I kept on taking a break and doing different things. I had to walk the dog and eat breakfast and lunch and different things. So I kept coming back. So after I used the Dremel, I went over the inside with 400 grit sandpaper as well as 120. I used my palm gouge, the U-gouge, it's the Flex Cut U-gouge for the handle and a V-tool for the back. I'm going to use Butcher Block conditioner oil. I just put it gently and liberally on the spoon with a clean rag and rub it really well into the cracks and on the spoon, part of the spoon. I actually put 2 coats on the spoon. The bottle says 2 to 4 coats, so I guess it just depends on how dark you want it. And then when I was doing it the second time, I noticed that there was a little divot. I don't know if you could see it there, but at that moment, I was like, whatever, I'm done. I was satisfied with it. So there it is. And I like it. I think it's good. I think it's nice. It's something simple. Well, appreciate you watching, and subscribe if you want, and have a great day.